Hi there, and congratulations on your Fluss purchase. In this video, we delve deeper into the different types of access on the Fluss app, specifically the temporary access. When your Fluss app is open, you will see the Share Access icon at the bottom middle of your screen. This is where you will go to send the different invites. Select Share Access. Select the Fluss device that you would like to share access to, and then select Done. Now select Type. By selecting Type, you can choose what type of access you want to share. There are 3 different options to choose from: Always, Temporary, or Repeat access. In this video, we are exploring the temporary access option. The temporary access invitation is ideal if you have visitors over for a weekend. Another fantastic use of this temporary access invite is by an Airbnb host or guest houses. Thirdly, for sharing access with a user who needs access to your property on a specific day and a specific time, and only for that short and specific period. When you have selected the temporary access option, you are able to select the start date and start time, as well as the end date and end time. Once you have completed that, select Save. Once saved, you will be able to see that the temporary invite created in this example starts on 3 December at 2 p.m. and runs until 5 December at 11 a.m. Select a contact or enter phone number. Then select Done and Save. And now you give access. It is as simple as that. The temporary access invite has been created. You can share this invite via message, WhatsApp, or email. Once the invited user is within Bluetooth range on the specific dates and times, he or she will be able to access your property from the Fluss app on their cell phone.